JetBlue welcomes you to Providence, where the local time is 4:49. For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened and carry-on items put away until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful in opening overhead bins, as items tend to move during flight. Your checked baggage will be at the JetBlue carousel. If you have a receipt that says claim at the gate, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated after we have arrived at the gate so that we may better assist you. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this Orlando-based crew, we want to thank you for flying with us today and welcome to Providence.